Imagine you open your computer, click one button, and everything works. But many years ago, computers did not look or work like this. People had to type long commands just to open a single program. So how did Windows become what we use today? Let's understand the full journey from Windows 1 to Windows 11 in simple words.
Windows 1.0.
Windows 1 was the first time people saw a graphical screen. Before this, computers only showed black screens, and users had to type every command. Windows 1 made things easier by adding simple icons like Calculator and Paint. But the system was slow, had many errors, and the windows could not overlap. Still, this version started the idea of point-and-click computers.
Windows 2.0.
Windows 2 allowed windows to overlap on top of each other. This made work easier because people could open Word and Excel at the same time. Many businesses started using Windows because of this multitasking. Some design ideas looked similar to Apple's system, and it even caused a legal fight, but Windows continued to grow.
Windows 3 and 3.1.
Windows 3 introduced better colors and a cleaner interface. Computers also became stronger with new processors, so people could run heavier software. Windows 3.1 added an important feature: drag and drop. Now users could move files easily without typing commands. This version made Windows common in homes, not only offices.
Windows 95.
Windows 95 changed everything. It introduced the Start menu and taskbar, which we still use today. It also added plug and play, meaning devices like printers started working automatically. Internet Explorer also arrived, giving many people their first experience with the internet. This version made computers simple for millions of new users.
Windows 98.
Windows 98 improved USB support, which allowed one simple port for many devices. Users could plug in a mouse, keyboard, or flash drive easily. It also supported dual monitors, helpful for work and gaming. But the system was buggy and sometimes crashed during demos. Still, it was an important upgrade for everyday computer users.
Windows ME.
Windows ME was made for home users, but it turned out very unstable. It crashed often, slowed down quickly, and many features did not work well. It introduced System Restore, but even that sometimes failed. Because of constant problems, people called it one of the worst Windows versions.
Windows XP.
Windows XP became one of the most loved versions ever. It had a clean look, faster startup, and fewer crashes. It used a stronger system inside, making it more stable. XP also allowed easy CD burning, which was very important at that time. Many schools, homes, and offices used XP for more than a decade.
Windows Vista.
Vista added a modern design with transparent windows and new animations. It also improved security to protect computers from harmful software. But these new features were very heavy and slowed computers down. People felt Vista was too slow, and the constant permission pop-ups were annoying. Because of this, Vista was not liked by most users. Windows 7 fixed the problems of Vista. It kept the clean design but made it faster and smoother. It added the Snap feature, where two windows can easily fit side by side. Search became faster, and overall performance improved a lot. Windows 7 became one of the most successful versions in history. Windows 8 introduced a full-screen start menu with tiles. This design was made for tablets, not for normal laptops or desktops. People using a mouse and keyboard found it confusing and uncomfortable. Due to huge negative feedback, Windows 8.1 brought back some old features, but the overall design still felt strange for many users. Windows 10 combined the best of Windows 7 and Windows 8. It brought back the start menu, but kept some modern tile elements. It added virtual desktops and a task view to switch between apps easily. But Windows 10 also had problems: forced updates, random restarts, and update errors. Still, it became one of the most used versions worldwide. Windows 11 introduced a centered start menu and a softer, modern design. It improved multitasking with snap layouts and added tabs inside File Explorer. However, many users feel it is not very different from Windows 10. Even years after release, Windows 10 remained more popular because many people did not want to upgrade without a strong reason. Every version of Windows was made to solve a new problem.